I'm really hoping this is the last van video I'm gonna make. But as you can see here, I managed to get the window on. So we're gonna go over how I did that in this video. But before we get started, just so you guys know, we're doing 30 days in the garage, 30 videos in 30 days. Today is day 24. It was supposed to be mostly motorcycles. And now I'm realizing I've spent 5 days doing a van window, which is not really my passion. It's not my passion. Yeah, this video had to happen today because, yeah, we got a pretty big storm going. There will be more motorcycle videos to come, I promise. Yeah, getting tired of saying that. Putting the window on was actually pretty easy. I decided to take off a little bit more of the glue from behind the old window. I started by trying to use a scraper. That didn't really work. I used one of those bristle brushes that you use for taking gasket material off. That didn't really work either. It wasn't aggressive enough, which is fine. It's not really supposed to be that aggressive. I have some like really coarse Scotch-Brite discs that I use for the grinder thingy. What's that called? It's not an angle grinder, die grinder? Can't remember. I used some Scotch-Brite discs on there. That seemed to get all the glue off pretty well. The next step was to clean up everything. I wiped it all down with acetone so there's no grease on there. That way the glue can get a nice clean bond. Then I took the window from the junkyard and scraped all the old glue off of it just to make sure that, again, it's all clean, ready for new glue. I wiped that down with acetone. After that, I took this 3M Autoglass urethane windshield adhesive, squeezed that onto the window, and I picked up the window and I put it right there. I did my best to make sure that the bead came in contact all the way around, but it was a little loose up top. I did some shoving and some rubbing and some tugging on it, and I put 2 suction cups on the inside of the van to pull it together with a ratchet strap, and that didn't really work, but you know, no big deal. So now I'm just gonna wait for the glue dry. Hopefully, I'm not going to be making any van videos for a while, and if you want to see the other parts, I'll put them in the description. Hopefully if you watch through those, it'll help you avoid some of the mistakes that I made, because the mistakes are in there. Some of the full videos are mistakes. If you're new to the channel, we've got 6 days left to get to 1,000 subscribers, and right now we have 172. So we got to get cooking. That means I need your help. So smash that subscribe button if you like it. I mean, if you're, you know, if you have a good time on the channel, and you check out some videos, you know, see what you like, what you don't like, leave some comments, hit some like buttons, smash some subscribe buttons. Anyway, see you later.